Well, Anna, you're right. We're hearing from sources that Volkswagen has approved a new SUV project for Bentley. It's really sort of outside of what they normally have been producing throughout their history. Of course, SUVs are hugely popular, and we're hearing that this will be likely the world's most expensive SUV when it comes to market, probably in about 3 years' time. It usually takes about 3 years to develop a new vehicle. It'll come in at a whopping cost of about $240,000 is what we're hearing from Volkswagen executives, and the car will be based, the SUV will be based on a model that was shown at the Geneva Motor Show a little over a year ago, but we have heard from sources that they're going to substantially change the design that they've shown, so we'll have to wait and see what that final model looks like when they show it at an upcoming auto show in the coming years.
Yeah, this is part of a broader trend, isn't it, Chad, in terms of ultra-luxury automakers building these SUVs?
Yeah, they're taking a page right out of the playbook from Porsche, really. Of course, Porsche, the ultimate sports car maker, their #1 selling vehicle now is actually the Cayenne SUV, and they've been so successful with that SUV that they are coming out now with a smaller SUV at Porsche, and that SUV will come to market a little later this year, in fact.
Yeah, interesting that Porsche didn't just take the car it makes already and raise it a few inches off the ground, which is what some luxury SUV makers seem to do. We'll see what Bentley comes up with. But why are SUVs so attractive for these types of businesses to build then?
Well, ultimately, if you look at where the demand is for these ultra-luxury cars, it's in markets like Russia, China, and the U.S., and those are markets where people want to drive SUVs. They like the vehicles, the fact that they sit up higher, and also these are huge countries and people are driving longer distances, and so ultimately the automakers say they're catering to their clientele. And if you look at what the luxury automakers have done, the Audis and Mercedes and BMWs of the world, this is where their growth is. They all now have several SUVs on the market, and it looks like their brethren in the ultra luxury segment are now following suit.